Today we are making harira, a staple Moroccan soup that is especially served during Ramadan. The first thing is to prepare a very important ingredient in this soup, chickpeas. Place the dried chickpeas in a bowl and cover them with water. You need to let them soak overnight. They will get plump and soft like these ones. Remove the soaked chickpeas from the water and use your fingers to pinch the chickpeas and remove the peel. Let's make the harira. On medium-high heat, add olive oil in a large pot. Add the finely chopped onions and cook for 2 minutes. Add the meat cubes and cook for another 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of water, ground ginger, ground turmeric, pepper, salt, grated tomatoes, half of the finely chopped parsley, cilantro, and celery leaves. Mix all the ingredients and cook for a few minutes. Add water, cover the pot and bring the water to a boiling point. Add the chickpeas, cover the pot and cook them for 20 minutes. Then add the lentils, cover the pot and continue cooking for another 15 minutes. Dilute the tomato paste with some water. Add the diluted tomato paste to the pot along with 1 liter of water and continue cooking for 5 minutes. To make the soup thicker, we use what we call in Moroccan tadwira. In a bowl, combine the flour and lukewarm water. Whisk until the flour is completely dissolved and set aside. Add the remaining chopped parsley, cilantro, celery leaves, and rice. Add the tadwira and keep stirring for a few minutes until well combined with the soup. Cover the pot, cook on high heat for 15 minutes, and don't forget to stir from time to time. You will notice the soup getting thicker. Serve harira hot with wedges of lemon and along dates and shebekia. Bon appétit!